Push me.
We forgot Buckle.
Go near. Oh, sure.
And it's Buckle. He's like, hello, humans.
Oh, come here.
Come on, Buckle. Come on. Ugh. Oh, you gotta move, buddy.
Weird.
Buckle.
Go to him. Go to him.
Buckle.
He likes females better.
It's like, pet me.
Oh. I'm being murdered by a puppy. Oh, but you're so cute, Buckle.
Buckle.
Oh, right in the...
Buckle, come on. Come on. Oh, yes. Look at the Buckle.
He's like, screw you.
Buckle. Buckle.
Oh! Right in the face.
Buckle. Buckle.
Buckle.
Hey.
Hey. Hey. Hey.
Come here. Buckle. Come here. Look at the Buckle. Oh. Kiss the camera. Buckle, kiss the camera. And there he goes again.
Oh! Like knock me off balance. Ah!
Okay.
Dude, get off. Get off. I don't love you that much. Come on, Buckle. Come on. Come on. Back in your pen. Back in your pen, baby. Come on. In there.
Elliot. Jeddah.
Lakota doesn't have her own yet.
Lakota doesn't have one? We need to make signs.
Yep.
And Jessica needs to clean her stalls.
Oh, yeah.
Imagine that. Okay. Can you go grab the light back there?
Mm-hmm. Oh, yeah. I thought I turned it off. Oh, are you going to take Jess's girth off?
No, because I found it in a bucket.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I'll get that sound. Is there any English bridles in there that are discarded?
I don't know. The WS tack room and all the old tack.
Some English rings. Wonder if they're attached to an English bridle. Ah!
Find one?
Uh-huh. It needs some repair, but I found one. Yeah. Wait till I get done with it.
Okay, come on.
Let's just hope this one's not broken too.
Yeah.
Let's show it to the camera. Show just how bad it is.
That's my sister's fucking tack.
And then wait till I get done with it. It'll look like something random.
Okay.
Hope your sister doesn't mind.
Oh, tail.
I feel like a huge bag fit in the house.
Yeah, I know.
I knew I'd seen one in there because I'd seen the egg butt bit.
Oops. Playing in the mud again.
Who's playing in the mud again? Oh. What? I'm hungry.
We just ate.
I told you in 2 hours I'd be crying that I was hungry.
Okie dokie. Well. Yep, all the adventures for today. Go release the cowboy.
Cowboy! Hi, cowboy. Go say hi.
Come here.
Go say hi.
Come here. Oh, looky at cowboy. He's like, pet me. Him and a sad little face. Cowboy. Oh, that sad face.
Alright, you wanna go back in?
Hey, we done?